Good afternoon. I'm Renu Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, Acer Chromebook Plus Enterprise Series. Google Wallet launches India with Pine Labs partnership. Instagram expands limit interaction feature. OnePlus Nord 4 and OnePlus Nord CEO 4 Lite. Noise Lunar Ring now available in stores. Portronics Power Plus Mini UPS for Wi-Fi routers. Chromebook Plus Enterprise 515 and Spine 514 large 5.6-inch display. Numeric keypad, AI-powered video calls and tools. Military-grade and durable aluminum chassis. Optional fingerprint readers designed for cloud-based organization, enhanced security and management. Pine Lab collaborates with Google Wallet seamless gift cards and integration, appeal to young consumers and fosters customer loyalty. Gift cards market in India expected to grow from $7.6 billion in 2023 and $15.7 billion by 2028. Frictionless gift cards usage experience within Google Wallet app. New option to restrict interaction with everyone except close friends previously limited to recent followers and accounts that don't follow you. Features introduced 2021 to combat online harassment. Multiple restrictions options available. Hide comments, chat, tags, mention, and story reply. OnePlus Nord 4B, a rebranded OnePlus Ace 3V. OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite features Snapdragon 7 and Gen 3 SoC. Both models listed on Bluetooth SIG with models number CP-2619 and CP-2621. Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity indicated listing published on May 31. Noise premium wearable technology available Reliance Digital and Vijay Sales stores. Available in Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai and Hyderabad. Expansion allow hands-on experience on Lunar Ring, enhances customer understanding on health and well-being features. Portronics ensure uninterrupted power to Wi-Fi routers during outages. 2000 mAh battery provides up to 4 hours of power. Easy setup compatible with 12-volt DC Wi-Fi routers. Connects to via 2.1 mm and 5.5 mm DC pins. WhatsApp is developing a feature to add one filter favorite chats for easier access. The feature is under development and will be available for testers play beta program. Additionally, WhatsApp is testing unread message and group filters to specific chats. New features in WhatsApp beta for Android 2.24.2.7 allows users to set and add commonly used chats to their favorites. As we wrap up today's tech journey, this is Renu Gupta signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all tech updates. Keep embracing the ever-evolving world of technology. Until next time, it's a goodbye for me.